Your credit score decides more than most people realise. Whether you get approved for a car loan, what interest rate you actually pay, the deposit a landlord asks for, even what an insurer quotes you. And here's the part that gets overlooked. A lot of what's dragging your score down isn't your spending habits, it's outdated information. Accounts you don't recognise or errors sitting on your reports that nobody at the bureaus is actively cleaning up for you. Ryezing is built to fix that. It's a DIY credit management platform that lets you review your reports, dispute inaccuracies, and build positive credit history, all from one place. And in this video, I'll be walking you through the mobile app. Ryezing pulls your credit reports and scores from all three major bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. It uses AI to flag potential issues, generates dispute letters customized to each item, and lets you report rent and utility payments to add positive history to your file. Everything available on the desktop is right here in the mobile app as well. Now, to get started, search for Ryezing in the App Store. It's also available on Google Play. Now, once you've found it, go ahead and download it. Open it up, enter your email and your password, and you'll land straight on your dashboard. Now, here's how the app is laid out. Along the bottom, you've got the three main sections: Dashboard, Report Review, and Dispute Hub. For the full navigation, including rental reporting, utility reporting, and your account settings, tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Now, the dashboard gives you a snapshot of your scores, your game plan progress, any active dispute activity, and quick action prompts. Let's go ahead and work through each section. Starting with the game plan. Tap into it and choose what you're working toward, whether it's repairing credit, building it, or both. Pick your target score and the reason behind it, such as qualifying for a mortgage, an auto loan, or simply building financial confidence, and a realistic timeline. Ryezing uses this to personalize the steps it recommends throughout the app. Next, your credit report review. Tap Report Review in the bottom bar and you'll find that you have got two views: Classic and Interactive. The Classic view gives you the raw side-by-side comparison across all three bureaus. It's personal information, accounts, payment history, and also pay attention to the legend at the top. A check means the account's paid as agreed, CO is a collection, CHO is a charge-off, RPO is a repossession, FC is a foreclosure, VS is a voluntary surrender, and the numbers 30, 60, 90, and 120 indicate days late on a payment. Then switch to the interactive view, and Ryezing's AI automatically flags items that may be hurting your score. Tap into any account to expand the full reporting details across all three bureaus. And when you spot something inaccurate, tap Start Dispute directly from the account. Ryezing walks you through it step by step. First, how many times you've disputed this item before, usually 0 on your first round. Then your reason. This account is not mine, or the balance is inaccurate, or the payment history is wrong, and so on. Now, if none of the preset reasons fit, you can write your own. You can also add comments specific to each bureau. For example, noting that you're attaching a bank statement as supporting evidence. Then tap Finish and the dispute moves into your drafts. Now, head to the Dispute Hub in the bottom bar. Tap Generate Letters and Ryezing builds the letter automatically, pre-filled with your details and tailored to the specific account and reason you selected. Go ahead and preview the letter, then choose how you want to mail it. Before using the auto mail feature, Ryezing will ask you to upload your driver's license, social security card, and proof of address so that the proper documents can be included with your dispute. Then from there, Ryezing can mail your disputes directly through the website or the mobile app without you having to print anything yourself. You can choose first class mail, standard mail, or certified mail, depending on whether you want tracking and proof of mailing. Now, once mailed, come back and tap on Mark as sent, then log the date. The bureaus have 30 to 45 days to respond, and when they do, return to the Dispute Hub. Tap into the disputes and record the result. If the item was corrected or removed, mark it as complete. If it came back verified, you can run another round. One thing worth keeping in mind, Ryezing is best approached as a 90-day credit management program, not a one-time fix. Over the next 90 days, the goal is to review your reports, identify inaccurate or outdated information, run your first round of disputes, and track the Bureau's responses. Credit repair doesn't happen overnight. Some items may be resolved quickly, others may take a few rounds. Ryezing keeps you organized through that process so you always know what to do next. And during those same 90 days, you'll also be adding positive history through rent and utility reporting, monitoring your scores, and following your personalized game plan. So don't think of it as a tool that you use once. Think of it as a 90-day plan to clean up your reports, build positive history, and put yourself in a stronger financial position. Next, rental reporting. Open the menu and tap rental reporting. Now, if you've been paying rent on time, you can report up to 24 months of past payments to the bureaus, adding positive history to your file without taking on any new debt. Go ahead and enter your rental address, link the bank account you pay rent from, complete the two-factor verification, and you're done. Only on-time payments are reported, so this can never hurt your score. Utility reporting works the same way. Open the menu and tap the utility reporting. Link your provider, whether it's gas, electric, or water, even your phone bill, and Ryezing reports up to 24 months of on-time payments. Again, only positive history. Late or missed payments are not reported. Alright, back on the dashboard, you'll find a few extras worth knowing about. Guidance on requesting credit limit increases on your existing cards, tips on becoming an authorized user to build history faster, and personalized credit card offers based on your current profile. And that's the full Ryezing app experience. You can monitor your free bureau credit reports, flag and dispute inaccuracies, generate custom letters in seconds, and build positive credit history with your rent and utility payments, all from your phone. To get started, search for Ryezing on the App Store or Google Play and download the app for free.